My summer break. It is a hot Friday afternoon in early June. The school bell rings at 3 p.m. and suddenly the hallways fill with noise, cheering, laughing and footsteps rushing outside. I step out of my classroom with a big smile on my face. Summer break finally begins. I am 17, a junior in high school in Chicago. I enjoy learning, but this school year is hard. Tests, projects, late nights. So summer feels like freedom. On my walk home, I take a deep breath. The sun is bright, and the air smells like warm pavement and fresh-cut grass. I stop at a corner store and buy an iced lemonade. As I walk, I think, this summer I don't need anything big. I just want to feel simple and free. The next morning, I don't wake up early. There is no alarm. I open my eyes at 9:30 a.m., stretch and look out the window. The sky is blue and the trees dance in the soft wind. I walk to the kitchen and make a glass of iced coffee. I sit on the back porch, sip slowly, and listen to the birds. The world is quiet. For the first time in a long time, I feel calm. In the first week of summer, I decide to clean my room. My closet is full of clothes I don't wear anymore. There are books under my bed and old notebooks in the corners. I turn on music and start organizing. It takes hours, but when I finish, the room looks fresh. It smells like lavender. I sit on my bed and smile. This is my space now, I say to myself. Later that week, my best friend Mia calls. "Want to go to the park?" she asks. "Absolutely," I say. We meet in the afternoon. We bring snacks, drinks, and a blanket. We find a shady spot under a big oak tree and lie down. We talk about school, movies, dreams, and favorite ice cream flavors. As the sun sets, we play music and dance barefoot on the grass. We laugh until our stomachs hurt. Not every day is exciting. Some days I stay home. I read novels about friendship and travel. I watch old comedy shows and help my mum in the kitchen. Sometimes we make pasta. Other times we bake cookies. We often burn the first batch, but we always laugh. My little brother sneaks into the kitchen, grabs a cookie, and runs away like a ninja. My mum pretends to chase him. One quiet afternoon, I sit at my desk with my sketchbook. I draw flowers, dresses, and cartoon girls with big eyes. I also draw a funny comic about a cat that loves pizza. Drawing helps me relax. It feels like time slows down. I don't think about school. I just enjoy the moment. In the evening, my family sometimes has BBQ dinners in the backyard. My dad grills chicken and corn. My mum makes lemonade. My brother runs around and plays with the dog. I love these nights. The smell of food, the sound of laughter, the warm summer air. After dinner, we go out for ice cream. I always choose mint chocolate chip. The city feels alive. People walk, music plays, kids ride bikes. The sky turns orange, then pink, then dark. Before bed, I always write one sentence in my journal, just one. Today I see a butterfly. Today I draw for 2 hours. Today I feel proud. Even on boring days, I find something good. This small habit helps me stay happy and thankful. By the end of summer, I don't take a big trip. I don't fly on a plane or climb a mountain. But I live fully. I rest. I laugh. I create. I grow. And most of all, I learn to enjoy the little things. The taste of cold lemonade, the sound of laughter in the park, the smell of cookies, the soft colours of a sunset. On the last night before school starts, I stand on the porch and look at the stars. I smile and whisper, "Thank you, summer. You are exactly what I need." Then I go back inside and get ready for a brand new year.